We've got a bootylicious workout. All you need is your glute band today. I'm on the jump sport trampoline. Gonna get a little extra push in here. Let's get the party started. We got 4 moves, 4 times, 40 seconds each. We are gonna build a strong glute today. We're gonna start with our left knee on the glute band. The right leg is behind it. We're just gonna start with an iso. All you're doing for the 40 seconds is pushing against the band. While you're doing that, I want you to contract your glutes, roll your shoulders back. Just breathe. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's push it. Drive it up, squeeze it tight, small little pushes against the band, flexing that foot, bringing that belly in. Shoulders are sway back. Head is in a nice neutral position. Squeeze it. You're gonna feel the dual pressure, so the other glute that is just doing nothing right now is going to also be feeling it. You are halfway there. Keep squeezing. Drive it all the way up. Push against. Stay in that tight position. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Push it through. We're gonna go into hydrants, so put it around both legs now. You may wanna drive it up a little bit to get a higher leverage on your hydrant. Hands back down. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Drive it up. Squeeze and press. Now if you wanna get that, give a little lift in here. You're gonna work through those core as well. Woo! This is killer. Drive it. You're more than halfway there. 3, 2, and 1. Stretch back. Lift up, give a stretch. Going in for a straight leg lift now with a 3 pulse to the top. Squeeze 3, 2, 1, drop it down. 3, 2, 1, drop it down. If you want to get a little core extra in here, lift up, 2, 3, drop it down. And drop. So take that knee off your surface. Get more core. Quad working in here. Last 2, 3, and take it down. Stretch back. Flip yourself over for a thrust. Put it back towards your knees. Legs are wide. Lift up, press it down. Good job. I've got it on a swivel base, and it is not following me. Squeeze it, girls. Good job. Bring those knees in. Round 2. We're going to put it back underneath. This time, it is going to be underneath the right knee. Hold it tight. Push against it. The nice isos. Squeeze and press. Keep that pressure even. Don't let it go. You have 40 seconds pushing against the band. Don't drop that pressure off. You're halfway there. Be mindful of your abs. Hold them in tight. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Sit up. Stretch it out. You need this stretch. All right, we got hydrants next. Bring it around both legs. You might want to bring it up a little higher so you get a nice high leverage of range with your hydrant. Let's go. Squeeze it up. Drive it up. Straight out. Using that breath. I'm feeling it too. This is strong. Push through this. You are going to be feeling this workout later. Trust me. Give me one more. Good job. Come back up. Stretch it out. All right, we got a straight leg lift with a 3 pulse at the top. Pull it really strong. Let's go. Flex that foot. It's 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Keep those hips nice and level. Just to get that leg up high, you don't want to turn your body sideways. Keep everything nice and level with the ground. You want to make it a little hard. It's a lot harder. One more. Good job. Bring it down. Stretch it back. We've got our thrust move next. Open those legs up wide. Bring it up. As you bring it up, you're opening it up super wide. Squeeze through it. You don't need to go fast here, just strong. We're building strong glutes here. In rounds 3 and 4, we're going to stay up at the top and just pulse out. Give me one more here. Bring those knees in. All right. Round 3. Good job, team. I see some people jumping here live. Hello, hello. All right, we got the ISO. Drop it back underneath your left knee. Straight leg. Pulse it up. Hold it here. Drive against the band. Don't let the weight go down. Keep the tension on there. Draw in your belly. Shoulders are back and hands are right underneath your arms. Drive it through here. Keep that pressure. You've got this. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Bring it back up for both. Hydrants are next. To make it easier, you're going to draw that band up higher. To keep it hard, you're going to keep it lower. Who's going to start low with me on this one? Let's go. Drive it up. Hold it for 2. Now come down. We got a little hold here. Hold it up and then come down. Drive it up and then come down. Squeeze. This is going to get right underneath that glute. We're working that medial glute right now, which wraps down right to here. So squeeze and hold. Last one. Hold it. Good job. Bring it back. Stretch it out. We're going in for a straight leg lift. Bring it back down if you brought it up. Straight leg. 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3, and then down. Up, 2, 3, and down. Now add that bounce if you're on your trampoline. Lift, squeeze. Adding the progression here. Lifting it up, you're getting core, you're getting that quad on the other leg just burning out here too. Compound muscles. Using compound muscles. Burns fat faster, utilizes more calories, and gets your whole body toned faster. All right, we're going into our thrust. This time we're gonna stay up. 3, 2, 1, stay up, pulse it out. Keep it nice and tight. Grab your booty, push it tight. Tighter, tighter, lift that pelvic bone up. We're not arcing the back, keep that back from arching. We're using all glute here. Keep it tight, tight, tight. You're more than halfway there. Move both legs. Sometimes you end up just using one. Push both. Go for it. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Roll it down. Bring those knees in. Final round. High five, team. Way to go. Okay, we're going to put it underneath that right knee. Left leg straight. Pulse against it with the iso. Squeeze and hold. Notice on the trampoline, I've got a little press going here as well. Using all my core. Squeezing through. Keep that leg up nice and tight. Another progressive move. Benefit of being on the jump sport trampoline. Keep it tight. Three, 2, 1. Woo! Yeah, that's what we're talking about. All right, hydrants are next. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, hold it up, come back down. Squeeze, push up. Make sure your weight is even on your hands. Your back is straight. Belly is engaged. Squeeze, squeeze. Woo! One more. Drive it back up. Stretch it out. Lift up that chest. All right, we're straight leg back with 3. Good job, you guys. Let's go back down. 3, 2, 1. Lift up for 3, and then take it down. Push through that jump sport. Drive it. 3, 3, and then down. Up, 2, 3. Woo! Keep pressing. Last one. Good job. Stretch it back. Come back up. Stand up. Kneel up. We're going to roll it on over. Final hip thrust. I'm going to have my feet on the ground this time. Lifting up. 1, 2, 3. And push down. Up. 2, 3. And down. Keep those bands tight. Even when you're down, it's tight. Last one, stay up and hold right here. Squeeze it out. Last 20 seconds. Press it out. Push, push. Both legs are driving. Check your legs. Make sure both are going. Squeeze it out. Ooh. 3, 2, and 1. Bring those knees in. Good job. Bands off. Let's get a nice stretch. Worked a little bit of those hamstrings too, but really did a great job, you guys, isolating those glutes. So oftentimes, when people are doing their glutes, they end up working all their legs as well. That's not what we're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and bring those knees in. Grab your ankles, open up wide, butterfly, open your legs. Get a nice stretch to the hip flexors. Bring those knees in together. Drop over to the right, stretch out through that lower back. Bring that belly in nice and tight. Suck it in, vacuum it in, lift up through that chest. Windmill all the way over to the other side. Excellent. Shoot both feet up to the ceiling. Grab behind the right. Drop the left. Now point and flex your toe. Get a nice stretch here. Feel the stretch. Feel the love that you just put into your body. Switch it out. My message today is she believed she could, so she did. You believe that you could, and you are. I am so proud of all of you today. Great workout. Make today your best day ever. I don't have my thermos with me, but make sure you're drinking half your body weight in water, that you're eating between 0.8 to 1 ounce of protein for your lean body mass. And if you need help figuring that out, send me a DM or a text and I'll show you how to do it. Create your best day ever.